I will never forget that night. We were in a crowded room, but it felt like it was just the two of us. I could see the way her eyes lingered on mine, the unspoken tension between us. The world around us faded, and all I could think of was the moment, the kiss. Not just any kiss, but the kiss that would change everything. Her neck, her lips, the soft whisper near her ear. Those were the places where everything shifted, where we became more than just two people. We became one, and it was in those moments of silence, broken only by our breath and the warmth between us, that I realized there's no going back. But here's the thing. What if I told you that those moments, that chemistry, that passion, could happen anytime? Not just in movies, not just in books, but in your life with your partner. Today, I'm going to show you the exact places you need to kiss her in 5 minutes, non-stop, to create that unforgettable bond. These aren't just random spots on the body. These are emotional hotspots, places that create lasting memories and ignite passion you've only dreamed of. Let's dive deep into this, because trust me, once you understand the power of these kisses, everything changes. Let me take you back to that moment. The moment your lips first find the nape of her neck. You know that sensation you feel when your lips meet her skin. It's not just the physical touch, it's the psychological trigger that starts everything. Her heart beats faster, her body tenses, and for a brief moment, she forgets everything, except you. This is the place where her walls come down, and trust begins to build. It's where vulnerability meets desire. The neck isn't just any part of her body, it's where emotions run deep. When you kiss her here, don't rush. Slowly trace the outline of her neck, feel the warmth of her skin, and let every touch tell her that you're in control of this moment. You are leading her into something powerful, and she knows it. This kiss, it's not just physical, it's emotional, and the best part? She'll remember this feeling long after. Remember, the neck is more than a kiss. It's the moment she surrenders. It's the perfect place to begin building a deeper connection, one that pulls her closer into your world. Now we move to the lips, the ultimate place of connection. But let me be clear, this kiss is not just about passion. It's about control and commitment. The lips are where everything comes together. When you kiss her here, you are commanding the moment. The kiss starts soft, gentle, then it builds. It grows into something intense, and trust me, she'll feel it. The key here is pacing. You don't rush through this kiss. Start slow, savoring every second, and then slowly build intensity. Let your lips control the rhythm. Make her feel the fire. You want her breathless but wanting more. It's a delicate dance, and the more you understand the rhythm, the more you'll lead her into uncontrollable desire. This kiss, every kiss on the lips, will change everything. It creates a moment that she'll never forget. Remember, this is the kiss where your bond deepens. This isn't just about wanting each other. It's about understanding each other's desires and fulfilling them. You're not just kissing her lips. You're kissing her soul. And now we come to the ear. This is where real intimacy is formed. Because the ear isn't just a place of physical touch. It's where trust and connection converge. When you kiss behind her ear, you're not just kissing skin, you're whispering to her soul. This is the place where you have the power to seduce her mind, to captivate her thoughts. When you kiss her ear, this is where your words can be as powerful as your touch. Whisper sweet nothings, but don't just say anything. Speak to her with authority. Speak to her like you own the moment. She will feel the power of your voice, your touch, and your presence all at once. This is the place where you build real trust. And this trust, it opens doors to a deeper bond, one that's not just physical, but emotional. This kiss, it's the secret to total intimacy. And once you master it, everything will change. She'll crave this closeness, this emotional intensity. You'll become the man who understands her, not just physically, but emotionally. And that is power. So there you have it. 3 places to kiss her in 5 minutes. Non-stop, unforgettable moments that will change the way you experience intimacy. But here's the real question. Are you ready to take control? Are you ready to lead her into deeper connection and unwavering trust? Don't let this moment pass. Go ahead, try these kisses. Make her feel like she's the only woman in the room, the only one that matters. If you want more tips like this, make sure to like, comment, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of passionate, empowered lovers.